The mystery of the Nazca Lines. Welcome to Conspiracy Theories and Unsolved Mysteries. Today, we delve into the mystery of the Nazca Lines, a perplexing enigma that has baffled experts for centuries. Join us as we uncover surprising theories, mystical connections, and unsolved mysteries surrounding the ancient geoglyphs in the Nazca Desert. Are these intricate patterns evidence of ancient alien contact? Stay tuned to find out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our ongoing investigation into the world's most fascinating enigmas. Surprising theories behind the creation of the massive Nazca Lines. One intriguing theory suggests that the Nazca Lines were created as a way to communicate with ancient deities or extraterrestrial beings. Proponents of this theory point to the vast scale and precise geometric shapes of the lines as evidence of an advanced intelligence behind their creation. Some believe that the figures were meant to be seen from the sky, indicating a form of communication with higher beings. The mysterious animal and plant shapes could have served as offerings or messages to these entities, according to this hypothesis. Another fascinating explanation for the Nazca Lines proposes that they functioned as a massive astronomical calendar. Researchers have observed that many of the figures align with key celestial events, such as solstices and equinoxes. This alignment suggests that the lines may have been used to track time, seasons, and agricultural cycles. The precision of the alignments indicates a deep knowledge of astronomy among the Nazca people, challenging conventional assumptions about the capabilities of ancient civilizations. An alternative theory speculates that the Nazca Lines were part of a religious or spiritual practice involving pilgrimage and ritualistic walking. Some researchers suggest that the lines served as pathways for ceremonies and processions, leading participants to sacred sites or mirroring mythical journeys. The shapes and patterns of the lines may have held symbolic significance, representing deities, spirits, or elements of the natural world. Walking these paths could have been a form of worship or a means of connecting with the spiritual realm, reinforcing the cultural and religious beliefs of the Nazca society. Overall, the creation of the Nazca Lines remains a captivating enigma that continues to spark curiosity and debate among historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts alike. The multiple theories and interpretations surrounding these ancient geoglyphs highlight the complexity and ingenuity of the Nazca civilization, inviting further exploration and discovery into the mysteries of this remarkable archaeological site. Unveiling the enigmatic purpose of the geoglyphs in the Nazca Desert. The Nazca Lines, etched into the arid landscape of the Nazca Desert in Peru, have long puzzled researchers and historians alike. One prevailing theory suggests that the geoglyphs served as ritualistic pathways for ceremonial processions and religious practices. These pathways may have guided participants to significant sites for offerings, ceremonies, or spiritual experiences. The intricate designs and precise alignments of the lines could have symbolized sacred elements of the Nazca belief system, creating a profound connection between the physical and metaphysical realms. Another intriguing hypothesis proposes that the Nazca Lines functioned as a visual library, conveying important cultural knowledge, myths, and ancestral stories. The vast array of figures and shapes drawn on the desert floor could have served as a form of permanent record, ensuring that key narratives and information were preserved for future generations. The placement and combination of these geoglyphic symbols may have encoded a complex system of knowledge, accessible to those who understood the language of the lines. Furthermore, some researchers suggest that the Nazca Lines were constructed as part of a water fertility ritual aimed at harnessing the scarce desert water resources. The patterns and arrangements of the geoglyphs align with underground aquifers and natural water flow systems, indicating a potential link between the figures and the management of essential water sources. By utilizing the lines as markers or indicators of water flow, the Nazca people could have enhanced agricultural productivity and secured their survival in the challenging desert environment. The enigmatic purpose of the Nazca geoglyphs underscores the sophisticated understanding and innovative practices of the ancient Nazca civilization. Through a lens of cultural, spiritual, and practical lenses, the lines continue to captivate imaginations and encourage further exploration and interpretation of their meaning and significance in uncovering the mysteries of the Nazca Desert. Mystical connections. exploring symbols and astronomical alignments in the Nazca Lines. The intricate symbols of the Nazca Lines have sparked fascination and curiosity among researchers seeking to uncover potential astronomical connections within the geoglyphs. Some scholars propose that specific figures, such as the hummingbird or the spider, may have represented celestial bodies or constellations, aligning with the movements of the stars, sun, and moon. These alignments could have served as a cosmic calendar, tracking seasonal changes, solstices, and equinoxes with remarkable precision, reflecting the advanced astronomical knowledge of the Nazca civilization. Moreover, the strategic placement of certain geoglyphs along straight lines or pathways has led to speculation about astronomical alignments and sightlines. The Nazca people might have used these alignments to observe celestial events, such as the rising or setting of key stars, the movement of planets, or the progression of the lunar phases. By incorporating these celestial references into their landscape art, the Nazca may have imbued the lines with spiritual significance and a deeper connection to the cosmos. Some researchers point to the Nazca Lines' proximity to the Kawachi Ceremonial Center as evidence of a potential ritualistic link to astronomical observations. The orientation of the geoglyphs and their relationship to important celestial events could have played a significant role in the ceremonial practices and belief systems of the Nazca people. The integration of astronomical symbolism into the geoglyphs may have enhanced the spiritual experiences and connections to the cosmic forces that guided the daily lives of the ancient Nazca civilization. The exploration of symbols and astronomical alignments within the Nazca Lines unveils a complex web of connections between the terrestrial and celestial realms. The interplay of geometric patterns, animal figures, and celestial references suggests a deep-seated understanding of the universe and the interconnectedness of all elements within it. By delving into the mystical interpretations of the geoglyphs, researchers continue to unravel the mysteries of the Nazca civilization and its profound relationship with the celestial sphere. Uncovering ancient Nazca rituals through the intricate patterns of the lines. The intricate patterns of the Nazca Lines offer a window into the ancient rituals and spiritual practices of the Nazca civilization. Some researchers suggest that the geometric shapes and animal figures etched into the desert floor may have served as ceremonial spaces or pathways for religious processions. The precise construction and alignment of these patterns hint at a meticulous planning process, indicating the importance of these sites in the ritual and social fabric of Nazca society. Furthermore, the location of certain geoglyphs near ceremonial centers, such as Kawachi, provides clues about the connection between the lines and religious ceremonies. The strategic placement of the figures in proximity to these centers suggests that the Nazca people may have conducted rituals and ceremonies at specific points along the lines. These rituals could have included offerings, prayers, or dances performed to honor deities, ancestors, or natural forces believed to govern their lives. The geometric complexity of the lines, including spirals, triangles, and concentric shapes, has led researchers to propose that each pattern held symbolic significance within the Nazca belief system. These intricate motifs may have represented cosmological concepts, sacred symbols, or mythological narratives that formed the basis of their religious worldview. By studying the geometric patterns in conjunction with archaeological evidence, scholars can piece together a more comprehensive understanding of the rituals and spiritual practices associated with the Nazca Lines. Exploring the ancient Nazca rituals through the intricate patterns of the lines offers a glimpse into the cultural and spiritual landscape of this enigmatic civilization. The deliberate construction and maintenance of the geoglyphs speak to the significance of these sites as nodes of religious activity and communal worship. By deciphering the symbolic language embedded in the lines, researchers can shed light on the complex belief systems, ceremonial traditions, and social structures that shaped the spiritual life of the Nazca people. Unsolved mysteries. Are the Nazca Lines evidence of ancient alien contact? The mysterious Nazca Lines have long fueled speculation and debate about the possibility of ancient alien contact with the Nazca civilization. Some proponents of the ancient astronaut theory point to the massive scale and intricate precision of the geoglyphs as evidence of advanced knowledge or assistance from extraterrestrial beings. The sheer size and complexity of some of the figures, such as the famous Nazca spider or the hummingbird, have led some to question how a society without advanced technology could have created such precise designs visible only from the air. Adding to the intrigue is the fact that some of the Nazca Lines align with celestial events, such as solstices and equinoxes. This astronomical alignment has prompted speculation that the geoglyphs may have served as markers or messages for beings from other worlds, possibly guiding them to specific locations on Earth. The association between the lines and celestial phenomena has led some to theorize that the Nazca people had knowledge beyond their time, possibly acquired through contact with or guidance from extraterrestrial entities. Moreover, the Nazca Lines exhibit a stylistic similarity to depictions of advanced technology or beings in other ancient cultures, further fueling the speculation of ancient alien contact. Some researchers have pointed out similarities between the Nazca figures and modern concepts of space travel, astronauts, or alien spacecraft. These parallels have led to the interpretation that the Nazca Lines may represent a form of communication with or homage to technologically superior beings that visited or influenced the Nazca civilization. The enigmatic nature of the Nazca Lines and their association with otherworldly motifs have captured the imagination of not only researchers but also popular culture. The idea that these ancient geoglyphs may be evidence of ancient alien contact continues to be a subject of fascination and debate, highlighting the enduring mystery and intrigue surrounding this UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Peruvian desert. The mystery of the Nazca Lines. Curious about other perplexing mysteries? Dive into more mind-boggling enigmas on our channel. Subscribe for more intriguing content and hit that like button to support our quest for the truth behind history's greatest puzzling secrets.